Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about the famous Windows event coming up. So yesterday there was an announcement from Microsoft that June the 24th there's going to be a event for what's next for Windows. And of course now speculations are going wild in many ways. One of them, of course, is people watching this picture saying, have you noticed how the window is actually creating a 11 on the floor? So would that be Windows 11? Or have they decided to move on? This is all sorts of wild things that happen. We say it, there is no plans for Microsoft to move on to any other version of Windows. But, at the same time, we know one thing is that Microsoft often changes its mind when it does things. So what is it and how is it going to be? Is it going to still be Windows 10? I guess we'll all learn this together on June 24th. A lot of people also speculating it's like, well, it's an unusual time. It's at 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, there's a lot of 11 in there. I get it. But, for now, our best speculation is that it's Windows 10, but, brand new interface. There's a few things also that will be noted here. It's going to be interesting to see how far 21H2 will get the redesign, because there's some speculation that because they worked a lot on Windows 10X, that what should have been 21H2, the big new Windows version, might not be as complete as they want it to be. That means that we will have some new stuff this fall, but some are saying that maybe the big change is really going to be the first half of next year instead. That's going to be interesting to see. I don't know how all this is going to go through, but certainly June the 24th is going to be an interesting time. And I think that day I'm going to have a lot of videos posted because I'm going to be watching that event live. And hopefully we'll have quite a few things to talk about. We are getting very, very small increments and upgrades of features right now. I've shown some of them here with different videos, the new File Explorer icons. Some icons are new in the Settings app. New font. There's a few things that have changed, but honestly, not that much. And that's where it's kind of interesting. We are in June, and June usually is the time when the version that's coming out in, October, November is pretty much finished. We haven't seen much yet. So that's why a lot of people are speculating that maybe the big update isn't this fall actually, but next year. So that's going to be to check out. We know that Windows 10X, some of the features will actually be moving to the Windows 10 operating system. That's also something we're going to have to check out and see what's going to happen. So we'll continue, of course, looking at all of that, and we'll continue checking out, all the little tidbits that we can learn here and there of what's coming next. But there's definitely some interesting ideas and observations, and there's a lot of people with little hints here and there saying, yeah, maybe we're going to Windows 11. Maybe not. Who knows? June 24th is all that's going to be the information here. So, a few weeks away. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.